This is Portronics Hydra 10, which is 60% wireless mechanical keyboard which I bought on Flipkart for just 2000 rupees. And here are 3 key factors which convinced me to pick this keyboard over others in this segment. First is the inclusion of full-sized arrow keys. No more cramped layouts with dedicated arrow keys. Navigating through spreadsheet or gaming maps becomes a breeze. Secondly, let's talk switches. Unlike the standard red switches which is common in this segment, the Hydra 10 also boasts blue switches, offering a tactile experience with that satisfying click. Third is the connectivity. Whether you prefer the reliability of wired, the convenience of a dongle, or the freedom of Bluetooth, the Hydra 10 has you covered. Seamlessly switch between 4 different devices with just a press of a button. Subscribe for more tactile content.